Belch from the band GallowGlas. There's a new show coming called Political Rock Cafe. It'll be shot in the studio that's being erected right now. It's a job site, but it'll be done, and we'll be filming November 3rd for our first show. Me as a host and Matt Knott, a friend of mine, he'll be covering all the politics side. I'll be covering the rock side. And it'll be here. We'll be covering the news. We'll be drinking coffee, having a good time. Join us, 8 o'clock.